Hi, Eva here, reporting from my studio. Things have actually happened here. Let me show you a little project that I've done. I made this little tiny book that I call Little Book of Courage and Hope for a friend of mine who's going through some tough health stuff. And what I did was I took some scrap paper. This was just some paper that I got long time ago. And I folded it, scored it, did a little hole punch, and then I cut some scraps of watercolor paper that would fit inside and scored them and folded them. So that's, the materials I used. And then I used some of these hole enforcers and a little rubber band. And then just my art supplies. I used actually, because I don't have enough strength to get the holes through here, and I just used this kind of yarn I had lying around, and then I used my my drill. I have a battery drill with and I just used a little drill bit that would fit, and then I used this needle to get this thread through the back. I just watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to make a book. I'm not very good at this stuff, and this is it's not professional, but it's, comes from the heart. That's what counts. And then I have used some metallic paint to paint the cover here, like this, and like this. And then I painted some little paintings inside with some little sayings that I found online. So it's supposed to be encouraging and hopefully lift the spirit of my friend. So here we are. Keep it simple. Make it fun. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. Think wellness, not illness. And these are things that I have also, concentrated on and learned for myself during this last year, where I have been battling metastatic melanoma, which, by the way, is going really well. My battle is going really well. My cancer is shrinking and shrinking. I just had another scan, and it might be possible that I'll be cancer-free in about a year. So that is fantastic news, and I feel great. So grow through what you go through and find your joy. And this here is actually inspired by Camilla's newest book, Ink and Wash in the Garden. And here is another little painting. It's all just quick and fun. If you get tired, learn to rest, not quit. That's a very good lesson for all of us as we grow older. Courage is grace under pressure. Be patient with yourself. I tell myself that. Go with the flow. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. And that is also true. And then count the small blessing. So that's my little book of courage. So I think that's it was a fun exercise for me, and it got me in the studio, which was wonderful. And now I'm going to send this off to my friend, and hopefully that'll put a little smile and a little joy in her day. So that's it from here. Checking out.